Good morning, friends.
Good morning, friends. We're on Daddy Playground because it's super early in the morning. Look at Emilia's pajamas. Look, they have all little Mickeys on them, or minis.
No, I'm showing them my feet.
Are you showing your feet? That's a bright foot. Mommy's over there. A cool mirror. Circle mirror. Mommy and Daddy are going looking at a house today, which might be our new house.
I want to go.
Oh, you'll be in school.
But after school.
Well, we'll see. If we buy it, you can come to it. How about that?
Yeah.
Will we go get dressed?
No.
Will we?
No.
Will Daddy wear your uniform today?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you want to wear the dress today? Or do you want to wear it? Too cold?
Way too cold.
Way too cold.
I need it.
You need it?
I eat it pasta.
You eat pasta?
You're all red. Yeah. Well, yours has the sun on. That means it's morning for a while, okay?
Good morning, doggy friends.
Yay. Come back, Percy.
Come back, Percy.
Dodgy hair, dodgy makeup, because I did it at like 5 in the morning, not 5 in the morning, that's an exaggeration. In the dark. Oh my god, Jonathan. Oh my god.
Here it is. Oh god, it looks so real. Look, it looks so real.
I'll get him out, because he looks...
What?
Get him out.
Well, I gotta get the remote control. Oh my goodness.
Our kids are going to die.
Oh, it's so freaky.
Look.
The dogs. No, let's get to turn it on.
Obi, what's this? Who's that?
Oh my goodness, we're gonna scare everybody with that thing.
Who's that?
This looks like one of those Christmas things.
Who's that? Yeah, it's a wreath.
Oh yeah, Reef. The back.
Who's that? Little friend. That's the thing I'm most excited about.
Oh look, a box. Neat. Nothing.
Don't know what that means, so whatever it's telling us not to do.
Like, what's all this stuff? What, are you having a Halloween party? Anna, what the hell is
Oh,
that?
sorry, that one was £75, not that one.
Anna, what the hell is this?
It's a gingerbread.
The smell of it is a giant.
Just be really careful, because it's real, and it was £75. Okay.
Where would you buy a gingerbread house?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What were you thinking?
Why is there so many cups? Oh my god.
What?
Do not drop it. Like, seriously, I will cry. Oh my god, the kids are gonna be so excited.
This is like the thing we made. It's always party.
It's exactly like it.
Oh my goodness, the smell of it though.
Yeah, you can actually eat it. In a month.
Do you know what? It'll make the house smell nice, but
No, I won't open it yet.
it's a bit mad. Alright? Just put it there. It's a bit mad.
That's why it's in German.
Oh.
Nicht werfen.
Nicht
Nicht
werfen.
werfen, mein gingerbread house.
It's geschmeckt, bitte.
You just.
Alright, Emilia, where are we going?
To get my eyes tested.
To get your eyes tested? Hey, who put that there? Wait, where's my car gone? Wait, what's happened here? We are going to get an eye test for Emilia and myself done.
But you have to go first because I'm scared.
Are you scared?
Yeah.
It'll be okay,
Do you
Emilia.
like my top and my leggings?
I do. You like your top and your leggings.
I
Okay,
like
so
it. Specsavers.
Specsavers got in touch, and they wanted me to tell you guys
A thing.
all about getting your eyes tested. It is estimated that 14 million British people are not having their eyes tested as recommended.
Oh, I can see it's going down.
After shopping, Station Road is public toilet.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, now we're going up. Now we're going back up.
That time was going back up and back down. And
No
now
shopping and High Street.
Daddy.
Do you remember where we're going?
Yeah.
Where are we going again?
Yeah. Eyes tested.
Get our eyes tested? Haha. Here we go. Are we ready? Are we ready to get our eyes tested? You're not ready? It's not going to be scary. It's not going to be scary. Trust me. Trust me. It won't be scary. Hi. Look in the little hole. And you see the... So look in there and tell me what you see. What do you see? What do you see? Do you see anything? Squish in. There we go. It's really good, Emilia. Do you see? What do you see? A road? What's on the road?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Don't like that one.
No. Right. Well, we did the first few tests. Okay.
I didn't do that one. I did that one.
So that one is when they fired a light and they took a picture of the back of my eye. And then this one.
See it, Dad?
Is it still there?
Hey, you must be Emilia. Just right at this big ear, nice big wide eyes. Open up, open big wide. And now I'm going to have a look inside your eye. So I'm going to hold this lens in front. Can you look right inside my ear for me? Can you make sure it's nice and clean? So you come right in the middle for me. Forward a tiny, tiny bit closer. Good girl. And now look right in my ear. It's really bright, this one. Well done. Well done. Good girl. That's it, that's it, that's it. Now I'm going to bring these down for you. You have a little look through here for me. So you come right up. All I'm going to get you to do is look at some little colours. So, do you know what it sounded like? Good girl. Can you do the last one on the end there? And the good news is she's got perfect vision. She doesn't need any glasses at all.
Right, now it is my turn to get my eyes tested. I'm wondering, Emilia, has Daddy's eyes broken from the amount of videos he edits? Do you think so? Too much PlayStation? Too much TV? What do you think? Do you think Daddy's eyes... We'll make bets now. What do you think? Are Daddy's eyes broken?
Yeah.
And this is your optic nerve straight in from your brain.
Whoa.
So if there's a problem with that, we can detect brain tumours, MS, glaucoma. So somebody with a brain tumour wouldn't have a clue. Come and have their eyes tested and we're able to get
That's
them.
amazing.
Yeah.
Get your eyes tested, lads.
Well, let's have a little look.
Specsavers. 2, I think.
Numbers at the top, clear on the red or on the green?
Again, the red is just really vibrant.
Brighter. So these spots,
Yeah.
better with 1 or 2.
Get out of there! Get out of there! 2?
We swap.
Get out of here! I can see you! I can see you in there! Get out of there! Get out of there! Oh my goodness. What are you doing? Alright, well, this morning I didn't think I was going to be trying on glasses, lads. What do you think of these ones?
I didn't get
I think these are cool. I kind of like them because they're black frame. Oh my goodness, this is going to be me from now on. The glasses suit me.
I didn't get glasses.
You didn't get glasses?
I got
But it turns out that Daddy does. Oh my goodness.
100 years.
100 years? This is Kent, and his sister Abby didn't make it. Oh no, Abby! Abby, I really want to see you, but I got stuck with your brother. What's up with that? Huh? Okay, come on, let's go. Oh, careful. I certainly did not think, and I think that's probably like last week was National Eye Health Week. And it's really, and then they were trying to promote, we were supposed to do a video last week, but unfortunately we weren't able to make it in Specsavers. I don't have any symptoms, you know what I mean? I don't feel like I get headaches or I get tired or anything in my eyes. And doing that exam, finding out that one of my eyes is just a tiny, tiny little bit. I'm like, okay, so I've ordered the glasses. I'm gonna pick them up tomorrow, and I'm gonna. They call it concentrate glasses, so only when I concentrate. But I'm gonna try them and see, do they make a difference? Because right now I feel like it's not gonna make a difference because I don't feel like there's anything different. But maybe there is, and it's like, whoa, how many people are walking around? How many of you guys don't even realize that you might actually even need glasses? That's crazy, isn't it? That's blowing my mind. She, of course, is perfect. Perfection over there. Anyway, let's go home and tell Mommy the good news. Daddy's getting glasses. This car is great fun. Just don't make sure not to bring anything with you. We'll make it fit. What?
Not mine.
No, that's not your one. Your one's in your room, mister.
What?
Come on, let's go into your room and see your one.
Oh.
Oh. Whoa. Okay. Does this remind you of the Instagram poop What are you doing with that one? What are you doing? What are you doing? Wait, do not throw that. Oh my goodness.
Could I go to my room?
No, Emilia's in bed. Oi, come back here right now. Right. Monkey. Yeah, and don't be put off by the fact that Emilia is crying. Yeah, Emilia is crying.
In her bed?
Maybe in her bed. She might be being naughty. And then mommy is saying, no, 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 no. No papa. Eating sugar.
No, Papa.
Telling lies.
No, Papa.
No papa.
I
Alright.
have lots of cars.
You do have lots of trains.
Yeah.
Okay, let's pick a book. Good night, Eduardo.
Night.
Night, night, Eduardo. How cool is that house, huh? It's so cool. Look, Anna's already put up a few little things. She's already decorated for Halloween, lads. And the giant gingerbread house. Alright, let's get some tea ready. Hey! What's that? Is that the SACCONEJOLYS 2017 calendar? Just sitting right here? Oh my goodness! That's so cool! Would you guys like one of these? 2017 SACCONEJOLYS calendars? They're not ring bound, by the way. These are just the sample ones that I got sent out. And I have the other thing. But you know what? Let's leave that till tomorrow. Let's do that till tomorrow, shall we? I saw lots of guesses about what the other thing is that we're doing. I don't think I've read anyone actually saying what it is yet. They could have said it. There's a lot of conversations going on. But yeah, this is the calendar. I'm so excited to show you guys. Ooh, but we'll wait till tomorrow. Let's do that. Let's play the patient game, huh? So exciting tomorrow. Okay, get excited. Get excited. Okay, you want one picture. Tell me I want. Go on. March. Oh, lads, look at the one you picked. Are you ready for this? This is gonna be March 2017.